Hello, my name is Maman Bishik and I'm 13 years old. I like to travel with my mom and I'd like to tell you about how I travel. This is my first travel in Beijing, Shanghai, located in China. This is the first travel where I went on a cruise. I traveled 3 times on a cruise line. My first was on the ship MSC Blesma. My second cruise travel was in Europe, of 5 countries and 8 cities. Our cruise line was Costa Fortuna, a 4-star ship. This travel was by far my most favorite. For me, the EU was very different. Everyone spoke around 3 to 5 languages. Europe is one of the oldest continents known to mankind, which is why visiting the countries was a thrill. With ancient cities, the old streets, with architecture as old as time, I wish to visit the countries in Europe once again. During winter, I wanted to travel to a different country, and so I decided to go to Beijing, China. Beijing winter was warm and almost like autumn. For my third travel, I went on Costa Suriname. It wasn't the best, but it was worth my travel. See you next time and join me on my journey.